Most people overcomplicate writing books with AI. They think you need some kind of prompt engineering wizard. But the truth is, if you have the right prompts, you can literally copy and paste them and generate an entire book. In this video, I'm going to show you my exact system, the prompts I personally use to go from blank page to a fully drafted book. We'll start with ideas, we'll start with brainstorming, then build an outline, and then finally generate full chapters. By the end, you'll see how you can use these exact same prompts to create your own book, even if you've never written one before. Ready to go? Let's dive in. All right, let's start inside ChatGPT. The first thing we need is a strong outline. So here's the first prompt that you can literally copy and paste. You are a professional nonfiction author. Create a detailed 10-chapter outline for a book titled The Productivity Blueprint, targeted at busy professionals who want to improve their focus and output in under 30 minutes a day. Each chapter should include 3 sections with practical examples. And boom, just like that, we instantly have a structured professional outline. You can swap out the title and audience for whatever book idea you have, and this will work every single time. Now that we have the outline, here's the second prompt to use. Write chapter 1, section 1 of this book in about 1,000 words. Use an engaging conversational tone with practical examples and at least one short story to illustrate the point. Watch how it generates. This is no longer generic fluff. It's structured content you can polish into a real book. And the best part, you could just repeat this for every single section. Chapter 1, section 2, chapter 1, section 3, and so on. Each section builds into a full-length book. Now here's the key. AI will do the heavy lifting for you, but you still need to edit. You want to go through, review it, smooth out awkward sentences, add personal stories, your own touch, and make sure that the flow feels natural. That is what separates the people who succeed from the people who just upload junk. The prompts do 80% of the work for you, but your polish is what makes the book stand out. Okay, now let me show you a style-enhancing prompt you can use. Rewrite this section in a more inspiring and motivational tone, similar to a TED Talk. Add one memorable analogy that reinforces the main lesson. See how the writing instantly becomes more engaging? That's how you elevate AI text from average to actually powerful. You could also do this for storytelling and write a prompt like, insert a 500-word real-world case study into this section that shows a busy professional applying this habit to their daily life. Suddenly, your book isn't just a collection of tips. Instead, it feels alive. Once you have all the sections generated and polished, you can combine them into a single document. A 10-chapter book with 3 sections each easily becomes 30,000 words, which is exactly the length of a professional nonfiction book. Now, here's the prompt I use for combining chapters smoothly. Take the following sections and rewrite the transitions between them so the flow feels natural and connected, as if one author wrote the entire book. This way, you don't end up with 30 disconnected essays. You end up with one cohesive book. So there you have it. AI prompts that will literally write books for you. You can copy and paste these, plug in your own topics, and go from zero to a finished draft in one weekend. But remember, prompts are only half the battle. The real secret is knowing how to pick the right topics, how to edit the drafts into something readers will actually love, and how to publish and market your books so that they sell for years. That is exactly what I teach inside my course. I give you the full system, my personal prompts, editing checklists, and step-by-step publishing strategy. If you're serious about building a publishing business, the link is in the description. Don't just publish AI junk like everyone else. Learn how to do it the right way and build something that actually matters. I hope you got value. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.